How to do dumbbell hip thrust using the bench. If you do not have any bench, use any hard surface like a sofa or a bed, but make sure the surface is hard enough to provide you the right support. First, showing you few demo reps. Now breaking down the movement, the first thing that you have to focus on is the gap between the feet and this bench. So to put your feet at the right gap from the bench, make sure the angle at the knee is 90 degree. You see at the top, the angle at the knee should be 90 degree. And my shoulder should be just on the top of the bench here. It should not be too far down, otherwise I'll be slipping down, or too far up. I won't be able to move down. So it should be at the right distance. My shoulder ends here. I have the support of the bench here so that I can move my body properly down, then pushing up. The feet are not too far away, not too close to limit the movement. Just at the right distance, you can see clearly a rectangle is formed here. Next, coming to the gap between the 2 foot. Usually, shoulder width is fine, but lot of people feel comfortable at hip width also. It depends on you. For me, it is always shoulder width. At this position, my feet are pointing straight. Lot of people also point their feet slightly outwards by keeping it further wide. It depends on their bone structure. Do whichever feels comfortable to you. At this position, I'll be holding the dumbbell, keeping it on my waist here. I'll be starting always from the top, not from the bottom. I won't be keeping the dumbbell here, then start the movement. Always keeping it at the top here, then lower the dumbbell, then push up. So while I'm lowering, I can feel that stretch in my glutes and the hamstrings. While I'm pushing up, I can feel that squeeze in the glutes and the hamstrings. These are the primary muscles that you'll be feeling. The whole time I'm looking at the top of the wall here, this position, looking constantly down, then push up. So regarding breathing, when I'm lowering the hips, that is inhale. When I'm pushing up, that is exhale. Once you complete the given number of repetitions, put the dumbbell down here, then lay on the bench. When you develop the mind-muscle connection, only then you can do it the right way. And if dumbbell hip thrust feels difficult to you, then first keep doing the bodyweight hip thrust. Once you are comfortable in that, then move on to the dumbbell. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in my next.